What's up, you guys? Today we are going to make a super high protein, plant-based, amazing lunch that you can make in under 10 minutes. It is my go-to Caesar salad recipe. It is my #1 recreated recipe on the blog over at chefbay.kitchen, and I'm gonna show you how to make it right now, right here in under 10 minutes. So while our veggies are cooking, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make this dressing. So let's blend up this dressing and get closer to eating our salad. So first up, we're gonna add some hummus. Next up, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of capers with the juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of water. Perfect. So now we're gonna add half a lemon. Perfect. And then some salt. And finally, we're just gonna add a little bit of black pepper because every good salad dressing needs black pepper for sure. Cool, so now I've got 1 head of kale. This is good for about 2 people. You'd be surprised at how much kale you can actually eat after you massage it. So I'm just gonna take the kale, rinse it, and then peel it off the stalk. Alright, y'all, there you have it. 10-minute lunch, super easy, super delicious, packed full of nutrients, vitamins, protein, flavor. Literally, this is what eating plant-based is all about. See you next time. I'm so excited to eat those.